Yeah, yeah. Merry Christmas, little mama. Yeah, yeah. Merry Christmas, little mama. Merry Christmas, little mama. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
So right now I am making a gumbo with my mom. I'm her assistant, and we are trying something different this time. We're going to be putting fresh chicken sausage in the gumbo. So right now I'm cooking it up with some olive oil, and I'm just frying them, making sure they're not sticking. So that is step one. We also have some shrimp and chicken and some other sausage, I think. So this is going to be a really full gumbo. So I'm excited. So I got it on filet, some shrimp and crab boil, sausage, and our roux. And of course, Tony Sasher is back there. Fry the smoked sausage in with the fresh sausage just so they can get cooked a little bit before we add them into the, just so they can get browned a little bit before we add them into the gumbo. Our next step is to make the roux. Chicken breast that we've cut into strips with the Tony Chachere's more spice. And let that marinate for a little bit. You turn it on? Nope. You told me to turn the other fire off. So right now I stir up all of the fresh sausage because we're trying to get all 4 sections of it brown. The sausage are frying up nice and good. I turn the heat up. She's now seasoning the shrimp with Tony Chachere. Onion powder, garlic powder, and the chicken is over there seasoned. So everything is getting pre-seasoned to add it to all the flavors, because you have to build flavor layer by layer. Fry smoked sausage out, and we just put it in this bowl. So now we're going to set it to the side, and these are almost finished. So I'm just going to let this finish up. Then we're going to start the chicken strips, and we're going to let that brown on each side. I'm going to come back and show you with bell pepper, celery, onions, and parsley. And these 3 are the Holy Trinity. So this is what we're going to be using as our fresh seasoning. Right now she's adding in some olive oil so we can fry these things down. And we want to get them nice and translucent and colored. Like that.
It looks like after this is...
Oh yeah, see, this is the right color right here. You want the stuff to kind of get brown. You don't want it to be its original colors no more. So that's what we're doing. And now we're about to cook the roux. And I think this is Savoy's. Yeah, we're going to cook that. The instructions are on the back. You just add water and make sure it doesn't burn. And all the chicken and stuff, because that chicken sausage, that is finished cooking for now. So now we're just about to do the roux with a tablespoon. And I'll come back once we have the roux all dissolved and watery and done. Okay, so right now adding in some garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm just going to put all that in there. And we're still in the process of cooking the roux, but as you can see, we added in enough water to where it's about halfway full, the half amount, because this is a pretty big pot. So that's what we're doing right now, and it's all cooked and all the roux has been dissolving. Added in all the water I'm going to add, and then it's 5:52. We're going to let this cook and simmer for 30 minutes. I set a timer over there. So are we going to put the lid on? We're going to put the lid on and let it cook for 30 minutes. And it's 6:23, and as you can see, the roux is definitely gotten thicker. It's cooked down a little bit, but it's definitely more thicker than before. What's next?
We're going to start putting everything in there.
Next, we're going to start putting everything in there. We got the sausage, chicken, shrimp, smoked sausage, so everything's gonna go in this pot. I'm trying to make sure my phone don't go in this pot. I add the gumbo filet. We put everything in the pot. We got the Zanarans gumbo filet. Everything. Everything. Gumbo filet, and we're gonna start seasoning it up. How you know how much filet to use?
Going by what I used to make, like I said, what I cooked before.
Is that Italian seasoning? Onion powder, garlic powder. Slowly saturate. Getting the boiling. Stir that up. And the next timer is going to be set for another 30.
45.
Another 45. I'm going to set the timer for. Last time I did set a timer for 45 minutes. I just want to show you guys that the shrimp are still not in there, and we are waiting until the last 7 to 8 minutes to put these in there. You do not want your shrimp to overcook. So they're already seasoned, like I stated before. So now I'm just going to walk away for 45 minutes and let this cook. Gumbo is a long process cooking meal. So make sure you have time when you cook this. Alright you guys, so it's been 45 minutes and the gumbo has cooked down a little bit. And now I'm getting ready to taste. It's important to taste throughout this. So right now I'm going to taste. We see that it's getting a little bit thicker, how we want it to get, and it's almost time to add in the shrimp, but right now I'm just going to taste and let you guys know if it needs anything. Okay, so right now we're getting ready to cut the, what are they called?
Just fresh sausage.
Fresh sausage, and then we're going to place them back inside. Right now she's adding the shrimp.
Thinking of the
7:54 and the gumbo is done. This is my bowl right here, and everything is cut up. We cut up the fresh sausage. Everything tastes perfect, and I put a little bit of rice, and now we're plating the gumbo. Give me some juice. I don't need a lot of stuff.
I don't see the chicken. Oh, give me a paper towel.
Yummy. So excited.
Get that, man, kiss little mama.